Hello guys, today I got a new headphone mic which I've been thinking about for a while to get some cheap headphones for a casual day usages, for example for my kid to use it. Being a 4-year-old kid, he might break it, so I thought I can get something, and today I found something on the little aisle which was quite interesting. It's something around 23 euros and it's pretty cheap. I think it's on the market, it is somewhere around 45 euros. This Philips mic the headphone is pretty good spec. The Philips headphones 2000 series. It's for the given price, I think what it does is really a good job. It has a very good sound quality, and also the microphone is good enough for simple calls or simple video chat or something which I am expecting to use it in my work time. So it's a Bluetooth one, and it has various features, something like the Bluetooth, and it says it can stay for 15 hours, ultra light in weight. It can fold, and it has mic and a few controls on it. I'm going to unbox it and let's see how it turns out. So here comes. So it comes with a few manuals, the information manual and some safety stuff informations, the complaints informations, headphone information itself, and a USB charging cable. And that the headphone is. I have already removed it just for the video purpose. I put it back. I removed a wire which was fastened to this cover, so and it looks something like this. So it has a typical controls: forward, backward, start and stop, and a charging point, and a power which basically turns the Bluetooth on and off as well. If you want to connect it, if you hold it on for a while, so the light turns white and blue, so that shows it is trying to connect to a new device. I have it already connected, and it's a pretty good one for this price. Thanks for watching the video.